Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. I am Jason Yoder, and this is my monthly episode where I share with all of you how much money I have made in the stock photography market. So this is for November 2020. Let's do this.
I can be with you wherever, stay at home or in a foreign land. I can stay like this forever, 'cause I got the world in my hand.
Well, hey guys, you can probably tell I'm not in my usual place where I'm doing this monthly episodes because I'm back on another trip. So over on my right shoulder here, you guys can see in the distance are the Olympic Mountains. You might be able to make out through the haze Vancouver Island in Canada. So definitely not in Arizona right now. But anyhow, this is the episode where I'm completely transparent with all of you on how much money I actually make in stock photography. And like always, my disclaimer, this is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes a lot of time, a lot of effort, and a lot of patience in order for you to make some decent income in the stock photography market. And as you're going to find out in this episode, I feel like I took a few steps back this month. So let's take a look here. First of all, I'd like to show you guys some of the images that have sold for the first time ever. Here they are. Alright, so let's take a look at some of the image earnings from these different agencies. And disappointing. I'm just going to put it out there, guys, it's disappointing. First of all, Alamy, again, goose eggs, 0. I've got 2,084 assets on that site and got nothing this past month. Next one up would be 123RF. I've got 3,550 assets, made 2 sales and only 43 cents. Let's see, next up would be CanStock Photo. I've got 3,684 assets, 1 sale for $1. All right, so moving along. Next one would be Dreams Time. I made 4 sales, 5,873 assets on that site, and I made $1.49. On Big Stock Photo, 5,426 assets. I made 7 sales for $1.75. All right, Deposit Photos, 2,506 assets, sold 5 images, and made $2.06. Right. How about next one up would be the big one, Adobe, with 4,498 assets, 49 sales, $44.57. So you guys can see I'm not having a very stellar sales period here. Let's take a look at my best selling images for this month. I'm only going to show you guys 2 because there really wasn't a whole lot. First one is Deposit Photos. This one got me $1.11. And the second one is from Adobe stock, got $2.29. Now both of these were actually from the same episode I shot at Prince Albert National Park, and this one was just simply a morning drive through the park that I took.
We're heading down the Narrows Road, and there it is, little black bear. Aww.
So if you'd like to see that episode, just click right here. So how much money did I actually make? Well, let's go back in time a little bit here. In 2017, I sold 90 images and made $83.52. In 2018, I sold 114 images, got $73.90. In 2019, 147 images and $118.98. So 2020, 68 images, $51.30. It's my worst performance since August of 2018. Yeah, it's disappointing. So why is it that image sales are so low? Well, it could be a few things. Now, number one, I did take a break from uploading, and right now I've started an experiment. Instead of uploading twice a week, starting in December, I'm doing a once a week upload just to see if that helps out, if I can still achieve those high numbers. The reason why I do that is because the sites like to see contributors give fresh images, and I was doing it twice a week and was being successful, so I'm going to see if they'll do it once a week. So it's probably going to be at least another 2 months of this experiment before I know anything. The other thing could be because of COVID, because of this pandemic. Businesses are hurting, and they may not be purchasing as many stock images right now because of it. So I'm not going to let it discourage me from continuing to upload, because we're just in a really weird time right now. And eventually, when this pandemic is over, the market will pick back up, and hopefully so will my sales. So I'm taking this as an opportunity to really refresh my portfolio. I'm here in a different location. I have not been to this location in about 12 years, I think it's been. And one of the things I'm going to do while I'm up here is to recapture this image. Now, many years ago when I first started in stock photography, this image actually sold pretty well. Now, it has not sold in years. This was taken on one of my older cameras. Its resolution is small compared to what I can do today. Something that might be one of the reasons why this image just kind of tapered out over the years. I know roughly where I took this image, so I can find those same type of rocks. So one of these episodes coming up, we'll capture that image together. Okay guys, so that's the cold hard truth for the month of November. It was not that good for me. So if you are also a stock photographer, I would love to hear how your experience was in November. Better, worse, the same as the previous years? Let me know in the comments. Alright guys, well again, thank you for tuning in. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, and if you want to check out my bonus content, go to patreon.com/EWJ. I am going to continue exploring this absolutely beautiful and peaceful area that I'm in, and you guys will see this in a future episode. Never stop exploring, and I'll see you later.